Ever glanced at the night sky and spotted a reddish dot shining with an eerie glow? That tiny speck, often mistaken for a distant star, is none other than Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun. Its distinct reddish hue has earned it the nickname the Red Planet, a moniker that has intrigued astronomers and stargazers alike for centuries. That's Mars, our next-door neighbor in the vast cosmic expanse. Unlike any other planet in our solar system, Mars has a unique charm that draws us in. Its surface, marked by iron oxide, gives it that characteristic red color, making it stand out in the night sky. But there's more to Mars than just its color. It's a world filled with mysteries waiting to be unraveled. For centuries, this celestial body has captivated humankind, sparking countless myths, scientific inquiries, and dreams of one day stepping foot on its alien surface. Ancient civilizations, from the Babylonians to the Greeks, observed Mars and wove tales around its movements. The Babylonians saw it as the star of Nergal, the god of war, while the Greeks associated it with Ares, their own god of war. These early observations laid the groundwork for modern astronomy. But what is it about Mars that continues to fascinate us? Is it the planet's striking resemblance to Earth, with its polar ice caps and seasonal changes? Or perhaps it's the vast canyons and towering volcanoes that hint at a geologically active past? Mars, with its thin atmosphere and surface features, offers a tantalizing glimpse into what Earth might have looked like in its early days. Is it the possibility of discovering extraterrestrial life, hidden beneath its surface or in the remnants of ancient riverbeds? Scientists have long speculated about the presence of microbial life on Mars, especially with the discovery of water ice and seasonal methane emissions. These findings suggest that Mars might have once harbored conditions suitable for life, and perhaps it still does in some hidden niches. The ambition to colonize another world, driven by the human spirit of exploration and survival. As Earth's resources dwindle and our population grows, Mars presents itself as a potential new frontier. Visionaries like Elon Musk and space agencies like NASA and ESA are already planning missions to establish human colonies on Mars, envisioning a future where humans live and thrive on this distant world, or simply the human urge to explore the unknown. From the early days of seafaring explorers to the modern era of space exploration, humanity has always been driven by a desire to push boundaries and discover new horizons. Mars, with its challenging environment and potential for discovery, represents the next great adventure in our quest to understand the universe. Whatever the reason, Mars holds a unique place in our collective imagination. It symbolizes both our past and our future, a bridge between ancient myths and modern science. As we continue to explore Mars, we not only learn more about the planet itself, but also about our own place in the cosmos. The Red Planet challenges us to think big, to dream of possibilities beyond our current reach. Unlike the scorching heat of Venus or the crushing pressure of Jupiter, Mars presents a tantalizing possibility. A world potentially capable of supporting life, or at least a world where humans might one day carve out a new home amongst the stars. Its relatively mild climate compared to other planets and the presence of water ice make it a prime candidate for future exploration and colonization, or at least a world where humans might one day carve out a new home amongst the stars. Imagine a future where human settlements dot the Martian landscape, where children grow up under a pinkish sky, and where we harness the resources of Mars to build a new society. This vision, once the stuff of science fiction, is slowly becoming a reality as technology advances and our understanding of Mars deepens. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the secrets of this enigmatic planet, from its ancient mysteries to the future colonies that might one day grace its crimson plains. We'll delve into the history of Mars exploration, from the first telescopic observations to the latest rover missions. We'll explore the challenges and triumphs of sending humans to Mars, and the scientific discoveries that continue to shape our understanding of this fascinating world. From its ancient mysteries to the future colonies that might one day grace its crimson plains. Together we'll uncover the stories of the scientists, engineers and dreamers who have dedicated their lives to exploring Mars. We'll look at the technological innovations that make Mars exploration possible, and the bold visions for the future that inspire us to keep reaching for the stars. The red enigma awaits, and its secrets are ours to discover. Long before telescopes and space probes, our ancestors gazed upon Mars with a mixture of awe and trepidation. The night sky was a canvas of mystery and wonder, and Mars, with its distinct red hue, stood out among the celestial bodies. Ancient civilizations, from the Babylonians to the Greeks, observed this wandering star with great interest, weaving it into their myths and legends. Its blood-red hue, visible even to the naked eye, linked it to war and bloodshed in many cultures. This striking color, unlike any other planet, made Mars a symbol of both fascination and fear. It was a harbinger of conflict, a celestial omen that could not be ignored. The ancient Romans named it after their god of war, Mars, while the Babylonians associated it with Nergal, a deity of death and pestilence. These associations were not mere coincidences, but reflections of the human psyche projecting earthly fears onto the heavens. The god Mars, with his fierce and unyielding nature, embodied the planet's fiery presence. Clearly, the planet's fiery appearance left a strong impression. Its presence in the night sky was a constant reminder of the unknown, a challenge to early astronomers and philosophers who sought to understand its movements and significance. But Mars wasn't just a symbol of conflict. In some cultures, it was also seen as a symbol of fertility and growth, a paradoxical blend of destruction and creation. The planet's cycles and changes mirrored the cycles of life and death on Earth, making it a powerful symbol in various mythologies. Its movements across the sky, sometimes appearing to move backwards in a phenomenon known as retrograde motion, puzzled early astronomers. This apparent reversal of direction was a source of great intrigue and confusion, leading to numerous theories and debates among scholars. These celestial wanderings led to the development of sophisticated astronomical models, laying the groundwork for our modern understanding of the solar system. The study of Mars and its peculiar behavior was instrumental in the advancement of astronomy, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge and curiosity. And as telescopes improved, our picture of Mars became clearer, revealing polar ice caps that waxed and waned with the seasons, fueling speculation about the existence of Martian life. The discovery of these ice caps was a turning point, sparking imaginations and leading to countless stories and theories about what might lie beneath the surface of the red planet. Today, with the help of advanced technology and space missions, we continue to explore Mars, seeking answers to age-old questions. Rovers and orbiters have provided us with detailed images and data, revealing a world that is both familiar and alien. The quest to understand Mars is far from over, and each new discovery brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of this enigmatic planet. The dream of human exploration and even colonization of Mars is no longer confined to the realm of science fiction. With each passing year, we move closer to the possibility of setting foot on the red planet, turning our ancient fascination into a reality. The story of Mars is a testament to human curiosity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge, a journey that began with ancient stargazers and continues with modern scientists and explorers. From gods and myths to scientific discoveries and future aspirations, Mars has always held a special place in our collective imagination. Its journey through our history is a reflection of our own, a mirror of our fears, hopes, and dreams. As we look to the future, Mars remains a symbol of the unknown, a beacon guiding us towards new horizons and endless possibilities. The 20th century ushered in a new era of Martian exploration. It was a time of unprecedented curiosity and technological advancement. Humanity's gaze turned skyward, and Mars, the red planet, became a focal point of our cosmic ambitions. No longer content with observing from afar, we sent robotic emissaries to unravel the red planet's secrets. These mechanical pioneers were our eyes and hands on a distant world tasked with uncovering the mysteries that had eluded us for centuries. Orbiters like Mariner and Viking beamed back the first detailed images of the Martian surface, revealing a world sculpted by ancient volcanoes, colossal canyons and vast plains. These images were more than just pictures. They were windows into Mars' geological past, offering clues about its formation and evolution. Landers like Pathfinder and Sojourner touched down on the alien soil, analyzing rocks, studying the atmosphere, and searching for signs of past or present life. These missions were monumental, each one a step closer to understanding whether Mars could have ever supported life. Each mission brought new discoveries, painting a clearer picture of our celestial neighbor. The data sent back to Earth was meticulously analyzed by scientists who pieced together the story of Mars's dynamic history. We learned that Mars wasn't always the dry, dusty world we see today. Its surface, now barren and desolate, once harbored conditions that were strikingly different. Evidence suggests that billions of years ago, liquid water flowed across its surface, forming rivers, lakes, and perhaps even oceans. These ancient waterways carved out valleys and left behind sedimentary deposits, hinting at a time when Mars was warmer and wetter. This discovery, coupled with the detection of organic molecules, has fueled speculation that life may have once existed on Mars, and perhaps in some microbial form still does. The presence of these organic compounds is tantalizing, suggesting that the building blocks of life were present on Mars, raising profound questions about the potential for life beyond Earth. The Curiosity rover, with its advanced suite of scientific instruments, has drilled into Martian rocks, uncovering complex organic molecules and providing further evidence of Mars' habitable past. These findings have deepened our understanding of the planet's potential to support life. Observations of Mars's polar ice caps and seasonal changes have revealed that the planet undergoes climatic cycles, much like Earth. These cycles affect the distribution of water ice and carbon dioxide, influencing the planet's weather and surface conditions. Looking ahead, future missions aim to bring samples back to Earth for detailed analysis, and plans for human exploration are on the horizon. These endeavors will push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities, bringing us closer to answering the age-old question, are we alone in the universe? As we continue to explore Mars, each discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. The red planet, with its rich history and potential for life, remains a beacon of hope and curiosity for all of humanity. Mars might be smaller than Earth, but it's home to some of the most impressive geological features in our solar system. Towering above them all is Olympus Mons, a shield volcano 3 times taller than Mount Everest and so wide that it would cover most of France. Then there's Valle Marineris, a canyon system so grand that it dwarfs the Grand Canyon, stretching for thousands of miles across the Martian surface. But Mars isn't all towering peaks and gaping chasms. The planet also boasts vast plains, dune fields sculpted by Martian winds, and polar ice caps made up of both water ice and frozen carbon dioxide. These ice caps grow and shrink with the seasons, and their composition provides valuable clues about Mars' climate history. Understanding these features is crucial not only for unraveling the planet's past, but also for planning future human missions and potential colonization efforts.